Alright guys, here is a question number 4. To count the number of words in a given string. Here, a sample string is given and we just need to count how many words are present in this given string. So we just need to count it, through the programming, writing a logic, something that we should escape the spaces from it. We should not count the spaces. We just need a word. That means Python is one word, E is another word, another word, interpreter is another word, high level is another word because there is no space in between. So we just need to count it, how many words are present in this given string. So to achieve this, we just need to write a few lines of code. So let me take a word count is equals to 0 initially. So I'm saying that for each n sample, right? So it is going to read each letter in a given sample. So it is going to escape. We just need to escape the spaces wherever it's found. So that's where we're going to increase the word count whenever it's found that one. Yeah. So basically, you just need to say if each is equals to an empty space, that means, see, each word is breaking up with a space, right? So it cannot be combined. If you combine, it's going to be one word. But if I give a space, those are two words. So what I'm trying to check is if the each, that means wherever it's finding a space, then I'm going to say that increase my word count. Simple as that. Word count plus 1. Yeah. So let me go and print it directly. Word count. See, we're going to have 10 words. Let us go and count it because it's very simple sentence, one line of sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 words in the given string, so that we got it, right? Even if you increase later point of time, it's going to retrieve the correct number of words in a given string. And thank you. See you in the next question.